Today I'm showing you all three sizes of the PARKSIDE Telescopic Ratchets, a compact trio that covers almost every DIY and automotive job. Let's start with what you get. This set includes 3 ratchets, a small 6.3mm drive, a medium 10mm drive, and a large 12.5mm drive. Each one features a telescopic handle, allowing you to extend the length for extra leverage when you need more torque, or keep it short for tight spaces. The bodies are made from durable chrome vanadium steel, giving strong resistance to wear and corrosion, while the ergonomic rubberized handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. All 3 ratchets use a fine-tooth mechanism, allowing smooth operation with a small swing angle, perfect for working in confined areas. Each head includes a quick release button, so changing sockets is fast and easy, plus a direction switch for instant forward or reverse control. Now, let's talk about their applications. The 6.3mm ratchet is ideal for small fasteners, electronics, light mechanical work, and precision DIY jobs. The 10mm ratchet is the most versatile size, perfect for general workshop tasks, furniture assembly, and automotive maintenance. The 12.5mm ratchet is built for heavy-duty applications, suspension parts, large bolts, and anything that requires serious torque. Thanks to the telescopic design, all 3 can extend to give you extra leverage, making stubborn bolts much easier to loosen. Main features: 3 drive sizes, 6.3mm, 10mm, and 12.5mm. Telescopic handles for adjustable length and increased torque. Chrome vanadium steel construction. Fine-tooth ratcheting mechanism. Quick release socket system. Forward and reverse selector. Ergonomic non-slip handles. Whether you're working on cars, bikes, furniture, or DIY projects, this PARKSIDE Telescopic Ratchet Set gives you flexibility, strength, and precision in one compact setup. Small size, big power, total control. And if you enjoy tool reviews and DIY content like this, don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a like, and join the Mr. EAGLESTONE workshop crew. See you in the next video!